नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedars, Kotaris, sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha and Janashri TV from today onwards, having Nayana Diksha. City is sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. Colombo, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Singapuram, Warrington, UK, Los Angeles, Hollywood, Chorpati, Nepal, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, Pattaya, Thailand, San Jose, Madurai, Hong Kong, Sirgari, Ohio, Tiruvannamalai, St. Louis, Tirumala, Pondicherry, Hyderabad, New Zealand, Toronto, Houston, Upland, California, Los Angeles, Surrey, Canada, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Seattle, Chidambaram and some more cities. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. I'll expand on how the subjective truths are strengthened by objects. Please listen. Every object creates some subject in you. When you see even the photograph of a food, well organized, idli, chutney, sambar, gongra, urga. If you are a non-vegetarian person, all those non-vegetarian items, the moment you see the photograph, something is triggered in you. It's one small example I am giving. I can give hundreds of examples. Whether it is food or lust, anything, or sacredness, even sacredness. If you are habituated to praying to a God, if the moment you see his deity, something is created in you, awakened in you. So each object creates certain subject in you. And if there is an object which has awakened subjective truth in me, I can use that same object to awaken that same subjective truth in you. Master is a person in whom the subjective truth has become reality. Shivoham, the highest subjective truth, becomes reality, and whatever objects made that experience as reality in him, he can use that and make even your subjective reality awakened. He can give you also the same experience of Shivoham. Listen, whatever experience he achieved, he can awaken that same in you. Understand the subjective truth Shivoham can be awakened by the external help like yantras, mantras and Kundalini initiation. I am introducing this science to the world. It was available in the Vedic tradition, but to this planet I am introducing now. It's not that all the Vedas are revealed already to human beings. This science of using sound, the science of using simple lines to awaken yourself and awaken others is such powerful science. See, subjective truth is the base on which your life should be built. Subjective truth is the foundation on which your life should be built. If you do not build a conscious subjective truth like Shivoham, the ultimate truth, unfortunately you will be building your foundation, your life on your low inner image, incompletions, your fear and your greed. On your fear and on your greed, you may start building your life. First, choose conscious inner image. Shivoham. First, choose conscious inner image. Shivoham. Please understand enlightenment is building your life on the right foundation, subjective truth. It is on the right foundation, subjective truth. Cherish Shivoham again and again. Strengthen the truth Shivoham again and again. Live the truth Shivoham again and again. Meditate on this great truth again and again. This truth Shivoham, once it gets rooted in you, doesn't allow your inner image, Mamakara, to weaken you. It doesn't allow your inner image, Mamakara, to weaken you. Understand? I'm just trying to get the right words. How this whole truth can be explained to all of you in simple terms, in simple words, how the whole truth can be awakened in simple terms, in simple way. Understand subtle grooves of your brain when it starts understanding the happenings inside you. It can understand any mathematics, any science, any chemistry, any geography, any history, See how you remember your past, the same way only history is written. That is a formula of history. How you remember certain facts, exaggerated, certain facts neglected. Same way, mathematics. What all the basic understandings you have to add, subtract, multiply, divide. If you can grasp the happenings inside you with a subtle sensitivity, you can grasp any happening outside. As I said, whether it is geography or mathematics or history or science or chemistry, biology, everything in the outer world you can understand if you can grasp the subjective truth. That is why I am saying the subjective truth, you need to let it sink in you, get soaked in you. Let it be soaked in you. Let it sink in you. Just like how food, sex, all this becomes a bio-memory of ordinary man, this Shivoham, experience of enlightenment, should become bio-memory. Understand? I can see very clearly what is happening in me. I can see the whole body and mind is ready for Cambodia. That is why I am just searching for words. We need to find more and more words, the right words. Only now I know why Mahadeva started teaching in silence. Because in the silence all your subtle brain grooves are available to me. I can just alter those brain grooves just through some vibration and give you the experience Shivoham without using too many words. Just sending the vibration Shivoham, I can alter the subtle grooves of your brain that can change and complete all your incompletions and awaken the ultimate truth, Shivoham, in you. Essence of today's satsang, I don't need to talk actually to do the work I need to do on you, to give you the Shivoham experience. Without words, just by sending the powerful vibrations Shivoham, your brain grooves can be awakened and you can experience Shivoham. With this, today 9th day of the Nityanandeshwara Brahmotsava, Mahadeva is gracing tomorrow Mahadeepa. So, let's receive his blessings. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.